HeyGen just launched a brand new upgrade that's absolutely insane, because now you can generate cinematic AI videos with your digital twin using Seedance 2.0. AKA, in just a single prompt, you could create a full cinematic video where your digital twin isn't just a talking head anymore. You can add in motion, scenes, and visual storytelling around it. For example, I just generated this clip of myself. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how you could do this and what crazy use cases this unlocks. Now, that brand new upgrade that we're talking about is now when you come over to Video Agent inside of HeyGen, you are going to see that we have Seedance on or off. And this right here is absolutely insane. So if we come over here, we could see that we could actually come over here and we could choose our avatar. So if I come over here, I could actually choose myself as an avatar. Now I could come over here and choose the voice that's going to be used. We could see that I actually should have my own voice if we scroll down right here. So we have Robert Benjamin. I just want to check these quick to see which one is actually the one that I use. Okay, so it was actually this one right here that I've been using. Now, what's also cool is you could come over here and you could clone your voice if you haven't already done that already. You could import your voice from a third party if you have it somewhere else. For example, 11 Labs, you could design a voice, or if you actually wanted to improve this voice, we could come over here and we could see that if we click on improve voice, we could actually go through and adjust the speed, adjust the volume, adjust the voice engine, adjust the model, similarity, stability, style, and we could literally go through and chat to improve the voice, which is absolutely insane that we are able to do this. But I'm going to go with this voice right here. We're going to click on select voice. We could go through the style that we want to right here. So we could actually choose for it to be something like this, or we could choose something like this, or we could basically choose what style the video is going to be in. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to choose this right here. So we have this blueprint style. We could see that Seedance is on right here. So we could see that this actually enables the video agent to use Seedance 2.0 to make cinematic scenes with your avatar. We could come over here and we could chat, or we could auto generate the video. Now, I'm going to click on generate right here. You're also going to see that we could actually go through and get prompt ideas, or we could get all these different options about like how long to make it, or what kind of option we want it to look like right here. And we could use incognito if we wanted to. For the sake of this, I'm not going to use incognito. And also we could always upload brand systems, assets, knowledge base, different attachments. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I want to make a video about the TikTok algorithm update for May 2026. Now what this is going to do right here is going to be absolutely insane. This is going to make a cinematic video. In fact, this is a cinematic video that I showed you earlier on, where we chose our avatar, chose our voice, chose our style, had Seedance on, and this is going to make the entire video for us. Now, while that runs off and does that, there are a few things that I do want to emphasize. This is going to allow you to have a one prompt workflow. You don't have to generate clips and piece them together. The entire video is going to be created simply by this video agent. And again, there are all of these different styles that you could choose from and you could watch to do whichever one that you like. 2, everything works together inside of HeyGen. There's no post-production, there's no switching tools, and you could do this with real human digital avatars, because HeyGen is the only place that you can actually use Seedance 2.0 with verified human faces, and they need to be your verified avatars, not just any avatar. In addition to that, they have built-in identity verification, so your likeness is going to be protected. You're the only one that's actually going to control your digital twin right here. What this generates is really going to blow your mind. Okay, so now we can see that from here, this has gone through and this has actually created a plan. So it's gone through and this has actually showed us where it got the inspiration from and what it's actually going to do here. So we can see right here that this now goes through the concept that we have, goes through the style, shows us the avatar, shows us the voice, shows us the details, how long it's going to be, the format, landscape, English, it's going to have closed captions enabled, it's going to use Seedance. And if we wanted to, we could expand on this plan, we could edit this plan, or we could just say that this is going to be ready to go, and then this will actually go off and build this for us. Okay, so now we can see that this is actually going through, and this is going to generate everything that we actually need for this right here. And by the way, if you did click on expand, this is basically what we'd be able to see. We'd be able to see the scene, the voiceover, the visual, and we'd be able to see all the different things that this is going to show at each point that it actually went through and created. So now, doing the editing, generating all these different clips, it did the scripting, it's pretty much doing everything, and the outcome here is crazy. Another cool feature that I did want to show you quickly is you could actually see that this right here actually builds in memory. So we could see that I have a memory around my preferred tone. We could reject it, we could accept it, we could edit it around my visual environment and around my avatar performance. And essentially what this allows you to do is it allows the video agent to learn your preferences to create better videos so that you don't have to constantly repeat yourself. This actually builds memory the same way that ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini would when you're interacting with it, which just makes it a way better experience. Okay, so now that this is actually done, we could see that this has gone through and this has done all of this. This has added me in here, and what's cool about this is this literally has me looking like this, but it also generated me like this. So it's generating me in different stances. In addition to that, it's generating me in different outfits, it's generating me in different views, generating all of this B-roll, did all of the editing, and here's a small segment of what it actually looks like.
2026 update is here, and everything you know about virality has changed. Topical authority is your new currency. Adapt now to win the 2026 feed.
First, follower first testing. Your videos hit your loyal fans first, and you need a high completion rate to reach the general feed. Now, before I walk you through more crazy use cases that this now unlocks, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with HeyGen today, because this is by far the best AI video generator, and it's the one that I personally use every single day. And now there are basically 3 ways that I would recommend that you use this. One, just to make cinematic videos with your AI avatar. If you come over here under these styles and find the way that you like to edit your content, you can now create content just like that without having to piece everything together. In addition to that, this allows you to make your AI avatars videos a lot more realistic, and they look like real generated videos and not just a talking head, because as we can see right here, there are tons of different things actually going on. There's text popping up on the screen, there's editing that's happening, the post-production's happening, and this gets rid of the need for you to have to actually piece everything together. Now, HeyGen did also release a few other things that I wanted to make sure that you're aware of. We can see right here that we now have avatar, and essentially what this allows you to do, which is pretty cool, is allows you to have one recording and gives you unlimited looks. So you could generate yourself in any outfit, any pose, any setting. Your real motion transfers to every single scene, and it's absolutely insane. We could see right here that we could actually go through and we could choose our different avatars. We could see that I actually have a bunch built out here inside of HeyGen, but if we come down here, instead of me wearing a hat, I could come over here and I could choose one of my different looks right here, and I could actually click on change look, I could click on customize, and I could say I want to be wearing a sweatshirt. So I could come over here and say put me in a gray sweatshirt, and what we could also do is actually change the dimensions of this if we wanted to. Now what this is going to do is actually put me in a gray sweatshirt. In addition to that, let's say we wanted to actually remix this look, or we could remix this look, we could actually go through and we could do that in order to design our avatar inside of a new shot, inside of a new studio, looking a different way, which is pretty insane. In addition to that, if we come back over here, we could see that we could do script to video or photo to video. Essentially what we could do is we could upload a photo of ourselves, or we could try a bunch of different samples here and then put in a script, or do script to video right here with one of our avatars, and we could see that this now goes through and it moves like you, the motion adapts to the script, and you can now basically generate yourself in anywhere as long as you have a photo or you already have the avatar of yourself built out right here, which is absolutely incredible because this is by far the most advanced avatar technology. And HeyGen's updates don't stop there, because now if you come over to developers.heygen.com, you're going to see CLI right here. And what this allows you to actually do is this allows you to go from 0 to generating videos in minutes right from your terminal. Essentially what this is going to allow you to do is this is going to allow you to install the CLI right here to authenticate yourself through the API dashboard, and you are going to be able to create videos by just simply inserting your prompt into your terminal, which is absolutely insane. And if you want to see a little bit of what you could actually do with this, we could see this presentation video that they recently dropped on this. For example, we could say something like, I have 8 video to-dos. Can we use HeyGen for this inside of your Claude Code terminal? Then this is actually going to go through and find the different to-dos that you have. For example, a PR walkthrough for something, an avatar from a headshot, localized product demo, an onboarding video, and guess what this is able to accomplish? Just a simple prompt like this. This literally goes through, and we could see that the prompt right here is HeyGen video agent create prompt walk through the PR 847 changes. This actually goes through and creates the video directly from the terminal. So if you're trying to generate tons of different videos, this right here is going to be your best friend, especially if you're using the HeyGen API, you're trying to create a bunch of different videos, or you just want command line access to HeyGen's video platform. It's now in here. In addition to that, if you didn't know, on HeyGen, you could actually go through and you could translate videos with video dubbing. They have audio dubbing. They have batch dubbing available. In addition to that, if we come over here into apps, we could see all the different featured apps that they have on here. Like you could upscale videos. You could do instant highlights. You could generate AI videos with Seedance. You could come over here and see all the different things that you could do. Create video podcasts, create face swaps, generate images, batch modes, create UGC ads. They have so many different things inside of this tool right here, which make it by far the #1 AI video tool, and they have the #1 AI video model. And quite frankly, this just allows you to basically create any video that you want with your avatar, be it a cinematic video, be it a video that you're generating for work or for social media, and this changes everything. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn about other use cases you could use HeyGen for, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through a bunch of other use cases that you could use this tool for and some other features they have I didn't cover in this video. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.